Team Peach here with you with another hot tip.
Rusty's Hot Tips!
Guys, as you're trying to run your business, it's important to keep the expenses down. And one way to do that is use free shipping supplies. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but you can get free shipping supplies from the post office. You set up an account, and you can order all these different variety of priority mailer boxes and envelopes, and to meet all your shipping needs. Now, of course, you'll have to ship whatever it is that you sell priority, but it's free. The supplies. So, this is a great one. This is not the actual size. This is chopped up from previous, Frankenbox shipping. But these tubes, these are great for shipping golf clubs and baseball bats and things like that. These flat rate envelopes, these are excellent for shipping a whole bunch of things. It's not just thin, legal documents and papers. You can actually shape this into a box and ship stuff in there. As long as you can fit this little flap over and seal it, you can stick whatever you want in that. Maybe I'll do a video on how to shape that. Guys, check out USPS website for free shipping materials. Sometimes eBay, you can get materials from eBay and UPS and all shipping companies. You can get some various shipping supplies. So, all right, thanks for watching. Take care.
Rusty.